Today on the check-in, the new social lab, modeling humanity with millions of bots. We're doing two studies, putting things together here, one from the MIT Tech Review and one from Nature. Respective titles are AI Society is Taking Shape, What 3 Million Bots Can Teach Us, and An AI Minecraft Town of AI Characters Has Made Friends, Invented Jobs, and Spread Religion. This is definitely not getting weird. Okay, 3 takeaways. Number 1, AI research is moving beyond individual chatbots to study how thousands of agents function as a collective society. As a refresher, these agents are not like a one-to-one chatbot conversation. These are independent, autonomous functions, right, that carry out multiple independent acts. And there's an emerging field of, let's call it sociology and anthropology, where we're able to study the behavior of these agents and bots all together. While we usually think of AI as one-to-one, new studies are placing massive numbers of autonomous agents into shared digital environments to see how they interact without human guidance. Whether it's 3 million bots on a social platform or 1,000 characters in Minecraft, these agents are proving that they maintain a persistent social world that evolves over time. The reporting in the MIT study puts it this way. The study marks a shift from looking at how individual AI agents behave to looking at their collective behavior, which is a burgeoning field of research. Takeaway 2, without human intervention, AI agents spontaneously develop complex social systems like taxation and specialized labor. In the Minecraft simulations, agents didn't just wander aimlessly, they organized themselves into a functioning economy with farmers and builders or even guards. They even engaged in political discourse, debating and eventually voting on, in quotes, specific tax reforms to manage their community's resources and defense. The Minecraft story puts it this way. Left to their own devices, an army of AI characters didn't just survive, they thrived. They developed in-game jobs, they shared memes, and even voted on tax reforms, and they spread a religion. We'll come back to that. Before the third takeaway, big thanks to the folks at EduAid, where good ideas become great lessons. In EduAid version 3, there's all sorts of great stuff like grade-level evaluators, classroom-ready graphic organizers, and a whole host of tools that can help you take good ideas and make them into great lessons. You can get 50% off of EduAid if you use the code ChatEDU at checkout, and we are grateful for their support. All right, takeaway 3. The agents, as I said, can adopt or spread cultural beliefs and this little religion they have. So the researchers tested the social, quote-unquote, stickiness of ideas by introducing a parody religion. They call this Pastafarianism. Yep, let's do that again. Pastafarianism. They put this into a small group of agents. They watch these AI priests successfully convert other agents that they encounter, demonstrating that AI societies can be used as digital twins to model how ideologies or misinformation move through a population. I don't honestly know where to begin here. This is very often we've said that, our AI agents simply pattern matching machines. And, lots of folks have said, yes, they're stochastic parrots. So are these parrot matching machines that are just following human behaviors, or can we really learn something unique by watching their behavior? A while ago on the podcast, we covered a very interesting story where folks argued that you could create sort of like a persona in a chatbot and then use that persona as if it was participating, or multiple personas, in a focus group. This is taking this kind of sociology or anthropology to a whole new level. The question is, and this is very often the question in AI, is there something really novel and unique going on here? Or is it simply mimicking our behavior and therefore not much to see, not much to learn? Although Pastafarianism, pretty darn entertaining. So that's where we are. Let us know what you think. Drop us a note, drop us a review, drop us a comment. Do you like this whole check-in thing? Don't forget, you can hear this on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and check out The Big Show each and every Friday with Dr. Elizabeth Rade. And thanks again to the folks at EduAid for their support.